Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò kíkọ́ mímọ̀ èdè Yorùbá fún àwọn tí kì í ṣe Yorùbá pàápàá jùlọ àwọn tí wọ́n wá láti ilẹ̀ òkèèrè. Lola, this is your class. Like I said, we're going to be learning words of courtesy today, and we have at the end of our class going to learn how to say don't be angry, please, be careful, you're welcome, thank you, sorry, excuse. Like we did in the class. Ẹ má bínú. Want to tell somebody not to be angry. Remi, mimi. Ẹ má bínú. Remi, mimi. Ẹ má bínú. So just leave it the way it is. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú. Don't be angry. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, please. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún mi lówó. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún mi láṣọ. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún mi lóúnjẹ. Ẹ rọra, ìyá àgbà tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà ẹ rọra o. You met an elderly person trying to, do some things and find it difficult to do. Say ẹ rọra ma, ẹ rọra sà. Be careful ma, be careful sir. That's ẹ rọra. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀. You are welcome. Ẹ rọra, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ dákun, ẹ má bínú, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ rọra, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ dákun. Like we did, combining these words to make useful sentence. I asked you during our last class, if you want, we've learned how to use efumi. If you want to say please, now you've learned how to say please, right? Say please. You join in with give me, whatever. If you want to say give me water, how do you say it? Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, àbí? You learn how to say please. You learn how to say give me. That's ẹ fún mi. And you know what water is? Omi. You now put it together. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Ẹ fún mi. Ní omi. You got it? You join the please, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, with ẹ fún mi that we learned 2 days ago. I think yesterday we did that. So ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún mi. You want to say please give me pen or a pen or the pen. You say ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún mi ní gègé. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, re dò mí. Ẹ fún mi, re mi, re ní mi, gègé, dò mí. Give me a pen. So all these, you can use them. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sà, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mà, ẹ má bínú sà, ẹ má bínú mọ̀, ẹ má bínú, ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ wá, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ dúpẹ́, ẹ ṣeun, a dúpẹ́, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ilé iṣẹ́ wa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí àdúgbò wa, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìlú wa. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún wa nígbà. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ fún wa láwo. So these are a few words to, courtesy words to seek excuse, to pacify people, to tell people not to be angry. When you met two people fighting, you can also tell them, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má jà mọ́. Ẹ má bínú sà. Ẹ má bínú mà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ má bínú. That's how to pacify people. When you want to tell people to be careful, ẹ rọra. And these are things that will keep. These are Yoruba words for social interaction and reconciliation. I think we're going to stop here till tomorrow where we're going to have another class. Thank you, Lola. Have a wonderful weekend.